You're watching LMCC, your community TV.
Three Rivers Park District is located throughout the West Metro and encompasses 27,000 acres of park reserves and regional trails. This summer, get out and explore some Lake Minnetonka area parks for some fun, family activities. Baker Park Reserve is located at 2309 Baker Park Road in Maple Plain. Family Archery is on Sunday, June 9th from 3 to 4:30 p.m. The First Tee Golf Camp takes place Monday, June 24th through Thursday, June 27th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Log rolling demonstration is on Saturday, July 6th from 2 to 4 p.m. Wilderness Overnight Camp Time Traveler starts on Sunday, August 4th at 6 p.m. and ends on Thursday, August 8th at 11 a.m. The Lowry Nature Center at Carver Park Reserve is located at 7025 Victoria Drive in Victoria. Dragonfly Survey is on Sunday, June 16th from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. Pond Exploration is on Sunday, July 28th from 3 to 4:30 p.m. Wild Work Camp takes place Tuesday, August 20th through Friday, August 23rd from 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monarch Tagging is on Saturday, August 31st from 10 to 11:30 a.m. Gale Woods Farm is located at 7210 County Road 110 West in Minnetonka. Saturday mornings on the farm, Farm Stewards is on June 8th from 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Lively Livestock Camp takes place Monday, July 1st and Tuesday, July 2nd from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Breakfast on the Farm is on Saturday, August 17th from 8:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Field to Fork Camp takes place Tuesday, August 20th through Friday, August 23rd from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Lake Minnetonka Regional Park is located at 4610 County Road 44 in Minnetonka. Fishing Camp takes place on Monday, July 8th through Thursday, July 11th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Teen Adventures Log Rolling is on Friday, July 12th from 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Grand Adventure Camp takes place Monday, July 15th through Thursday, July 18th from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Survivor Camp takes place on Tuesday, July 23rd through Friday, July 26th from 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Visit threeriversparks.org to register for these and many other activities going on this summer.